Welcome back to the shop. I want to talk with you a minute about a misconception of, I think a lot of customers are uneducated on the fact of the difference between a repair and a servicing. Repair means that you've got something broken, something needs to be fixed. A servicing is a preventative. So if you're bringing something into a shop and you're wanting to have it preventative, you're wanting to have some preventative maintenance done, then that's when you ask for a service. If it's broke, you need to be having a repair. Don't tell them to service your unit. And I bring that up because I get a lot of people who show up and say, I need you to service it. And they drop it off and leave, and I'm not the one that talks to them. Then they show back up and go, why'd you put an air filter and this and that in it? And because you asked me to service it. In my opinion, depending on units, different things, but a general basic, check the fuel line, make sure the fuel line's good. Replace the fuel filter, regardless of what it looks like, replace it. Replace the spark plug. Replace the air filter. Make sure all of that's good. Check your spark arresters, make sure they're clean. Be sure if it's a trimmer, make sure your clutch is not stuck, especially on a steel trimmer. Make sure everything's free. Look the unit over if you see anything that's coming, because that's what a service is. That's what a service is. It's a preventative maintenance. So you want to be sure of that and make sure that you understand what you're asking for when you take it to a shop. Because if you tell them and they know what they're doing to repair and service that unit, they're going to go through that unit and change those items, and you're going to come back and be shocked. So make sure you understand the difference in that. Thank y'all for joining me.